Okay, folks, welcome back to the final installment of this week's tutorial, which is how to rebuild a Perko through-hull sea strainer that is of classic design, brass, and in this certain application it happens to be for the air conditioner. Now, in your case, it's going to be very different, so I'm not going to explain to you on your own vessel, but you can see on this plastic boat right here, those two things that are peeing. Either his boat's taking on water or that's the reverse cycle air conditioning. Now on our vessel, you might notice right there, that stream that's coming out, that happens to be for the cabin air conditioning. And on the port side of the boat, which happens to be the left side, even if you're looking aft, you'll notice that we have a stream coming out quite nicely there as well. Now, where I'd left you in the last video was the final installation of our rebuild, which is down in here. Now, we got granted select private access to a vessel that we're not going to name because, well, just can't do that. However, so as you can see, this is our machinery space, and this is the gentleman here that has been in place for last time I rebuilt it was about 8 months ago. 7, more than 6. The pump is running, obviously. She is crystal clear. There is no leaks whatsoever. And she's back to being grounded. Success. Now, for those of you that have liked this tutorial today, we have a special next Friday. I actually have a live session with a colored gentleman who, it's going to be about the do's and don'ts of yachting if you're black. And we're going to have a free book giveaway. Yep, my almost New York Times bestseller called Blacks That I've Met While Yachting. It's a very short read. It is a page turner, and we're going to go over just some things that, you know, as from his standpoint of what he's learned along the way. So we really do hope that you check back in with us. Last but not least, keep the pointy bit off the rocks and the water out of the boat. Signing off.